Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is multiplying radical expressions, numbers only. To understand the concept, let's do some questions. The first one says negative 2 root of 25 times negative 3 root of 27. How we do this is, let's see. We write the question first. Our first and the foremost step is to simplify the numbers inside the radical sign. Let's factor them, make groups and see what can be brought out. So negative 2 times 25 can be factored as 5 times 5 times negative 3. 27 can be factored as 3 times 3 times 3. So from the first we can take out 1 5, negative 2 times 5 times negative 3. From the second radical we can make a group of two 3's and they come out as a single 3, and inside we are left with the radical sign with the 3 in it. So we'll multiply all these numbers. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Negative 10 times 3 is positive 30. Times 3 is 90 square root of 3. This is our final answer. Let's move on to the next question to make our concept more clear. We have simplify negative 3 root of 48 times 4 root of 32. Our steps remain the same. We simplify the numbers inside the radical or factor them. So we put down the factors of 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then we cannot divide by 2 further, so we move on to 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So the factors of 48 are 4 2's and 1 3, while the factors of 32 are 32 divided by 2 is 16, 16 divided by 2 is 8, 8 divided by 2 is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we have 5 2's, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we can make groups like this of two numbers each. Negative 3 times 2 times 2. Inside we are left with radical 3 times 4. Then again this is how we bring out. So negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Negative 6 times 2 is negative 12 root 3 times 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So now we'll multiply the numbers outside the radical first, and inside the radical we'll put both the numbers, that is 3 multiplied by 2. So we have negative 192 square root of 6 as the final answer. Let's practice the next question. Simplify negative 3 root of 8 times 4 root of 12. Now it's very simple. Our method remains the same. 8 can be factored as 2 times 2 times 2, while 12 can be factored as 2 times 2 times 3. So we'll make a pair up like this. Negative 3, 2 2's come out as a single 2. Inside you are left with just 1 2 times 4 times 2 inside radical 3. Negative 3 times 2 is a negative 6 root of 2 times 8 root of 3. So negative 6 times 8 is a negative 48, and radical 2 times 3. This is equal to negative 48 radical 6 or square root of 6. This is the final answer. I hope multiplying radical expressions with numbers only is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.